Hey there, everyone! It's my birthday today, and I'm so excited to share this special day with all of you. I've been thinking about how to make this day memorable, and I've come up with a few ideas.
Sino ka dyan?
Gosh, ngayon ka lang titignan to. Hala.
Ay! Kita pa, Mi.
Oh my gosh.
Ay!
Ano ba to?
Kuya Mark.
Grabe.
No matter what, you just
Dito kami.
because you're tall.
Ganito pala pag nasa social media. Okay.
Nahiya.
Next side. Okay. Back side.
Okay na.
Left side. Hindi, sinin.
Po, this side po. This side po.
Okay. Next side. Okay. Back side.
Okay na.
Left side. Hindi, sinin. O, yung mga nagiinuman dyan, oh. Bigay naman dito ng ambag, oh, sa pagkanta. Ay, mga nagiinuman dyan. Bigay ng ambag dito. Let's go na.
Happy birthday, lovely. Happy birthday, lovely. Happy birthday, dear love. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Order. Go na.
Anong wish mo?
Masayang buhay para sa lahat.
Look, everybody's like setting up their. They're just waiting for me, man. Like everybody's gonna drink right now because they're waiting for me.
Yeah, why you take so long?
But this don't even fall. May sabay mo ko dito.
Bakit dancy ba?
It's like I've been awakened. Every move had to break it. It's the risk that I'm taking. I'm never gonna shut you out.